Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1SE Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now just tap on any of your added passwords that you wish to edit. I will go with my booking one. Enter your current login method. Select Edit button next to the Delete one and change wherever you wish to. Then hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!